Clear, clear. Easy does it.
Got it. Gently now.
Almost there.
Hello, yes? There's a giant snake. It's eaten one of the sheep. Send help.
All units, we have a confirmed visual on the target.
Sector 7, Market Street. Move in. We've got a situation. This reticulated python is loose in the city. Public safety is our top priority now. Okay, team, this python has had a significant meal. We need to move fast.
Understood. Let's gear up.
Checking inventory now.
Make sure everything's ready.
All units, we have a confirmed sighting. Proceed with caution. Repeat, proceed with caution. All units, report status. Command, we need an update on the east perimeter.
Over.
Dispatch, we have eyes on the target. Requesting immediate air support. We have to catch him, he's getting away!
Focus on your grip.
Steady now.
We've got a problem. Shots fired! Open fire!
We got you, buddy. Easy does it. Very easy does it. Almost there, little one. Nice and slow.
All right, little one, almost there.
That's it, easy does it. Good go.
Clear. Scalpel. Checking vitals.
He's gonna be all right. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Doctor, is he going to be okay?
We're doing everything we can. His vitals are stabilizing.
Thank you so much. You saved him. You're doing so well, little one.
He's a fighter, that's for sure. Such a gentle soul. Oh, you are a lifesaver. Thank you so much for taking such good care of him.
Of course. He's a strong little one. He'll be just fine.